What is good, YouTube? It's your girl Brinks. So, it is currently December 3rd-ish. So, long story short, you guys, I did not. I was supposed to do something this weekend. Plans got canceled. You just gonna make this a long story short. Plans got canceled. I refuse to sit in the house and be mopey and just think about random stuff. As a woman, you have to start realizing your worth. And when things don't work out, you can't just sit there and harp on it. You have to kind of elevate yourself and realize that you deserve better. Okay, for one. Because you only got one life to live, and life is too short to be harping on things that happen, whether it's negative, whether it's something that impacted you. Life is just too short for all of that. So with that being said, y'all, I decided to take a weekend vacay because I was not going to sit at home and sit in the house and just do absolutely nothing. I was already pressed for money because it's my rent check. But yeah, that's not what we're gonna do. We're not gonna sit around moping. We are not gonna do that. It was a really, really rough week, y'all. Rough week and a half, honestly. So I deserve to do this for me, and I'm doing this for me, and I'm about to have fun. So we are doing a makeup look today for my crochet look, you guys. The red and black hair that I had to hurry up and do before I rolled out. Yeah, we're doing a makeup look today. So you guys know my crochet is red and black. Favorite colors. I was gonna wear red and black today in an outfit, but I'm just gonna do gray and red. Kind of mix it up a little bit. I already got black in the hair, and I already got black in the purse. So let's just mix it up and do something a little bit different. Not to mention my last look was gold, black and red. I think, was it? No, it was silver. But I don't know. Yeah, we still gonna do silver. Yeah, we're still gonna do silver. I might have some gold in there though. Silver, gold, and red. Silver, gold, and red could possibly work. We'll just see how it works out, y'all. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into this. Get ready with me.
Bruh.
Okay, so now I'm starting to see my camera just started on this audio. It literally just started with me looking at it. I don't know what feature this is with Samsung because it just started with this Ultra. I didn't have that with the other Samsungs that I had. It literally just started loading, and next thing I know, I was on record mode. Now I'm starting to figure out how it automatically gets on record mode when I'm not putting it on record mode. But anyways, y'all, first we're gonna go ahead and put these contacts in, because you know how we do. Gotta put the contacts in for this natural look. No glasses today.
Seriously, mommy.
Oh my god, y'all. Luckily the contact lens is still in the case. It didn't fall in the sink. I hate it when contact lenses fall in the sink because I do not put them in my eye. Do you know what happens in the sink? I literally brush my teeth in the sink. And I still dropped it. Nope. It's right there. Bruh. Alright, y'all. Now we can fully see. I'm going to do these brows off camera, and I'll be back.
Bruh.
I just figured out how my camera's recording on its own. Like I literally just held my hand up. Is it gonna stop on its own? No, it's not. It's not. So if you hold your hand up like this in front of your video, it will automatically start recording. If you hold your hand up like this for a picture, it will literally scan your hand and start recording, y'all. Neat little feature. I did not know that. But anyways, y'all, back to these brows.
Seriously, mommy.
I'm done. I'm done. Alright, so we're going to blend in the red. It's going to look similar to last week's makeup look, but it's not going to be exactly like last week's makeup look. I'm going to try to mix this up as best as possible, y'all. As best as possible. So, we're actually going to use the red from this palette. I'm going to use that red right there. Alright, y'all, we're gonna throw some gold in this, and then, you know, I think I want to throw the silver in next and finish it off with a light gold. Or do I have something that's like, I like that gold. That's pretty. Okay, guys, so here's what we're gonna do. What I should have done was blend in the silver before the black, and then the red, and then the gold. So, yeah. Okay. Okay, we got this. We still got it. We got this. We're gonna make this work. Okay, we're gonna make this work, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and dip into the silver, whichever color, whichever brush I was using for it last. I don't even know what brush I was using for silver last week. All right, y'all, not bad, not bad at all. Plot twist is when we add this freaking gold in here. All right, looking just like yesterday, right? I mean, not yesterday, last week, y'all. I'm tripping. Now we're gonna throw that gold right here at the very, very beginning. We're gonna go with this gold shade. I feel like that's gonna blend the best anyway. It's different, but I kind of like it. Yeah, we just have to bring the whole look together, y'all. It's really different, but it can work. It can work. All right, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and foundation and conceal this face, and I'll be back. All right, y'all. So I got these cute lashes with red in them. I'm actually gonna wear them today. They look real natural, and they aren't like super dramatic. Even though I'm dramatic, y'all, that's not the look I'm going for today. So I'm gonna tone it down a little bit. Keep it on the more unexpected end, because we don't know what we're all doing today. Alright, so we got that done. While those are kind of drying, we're gonna go ahead and apply our bronzer, which I finally found. It's almost gone anyway, y'all. I need some new bronzer anyway. So go ahead and apply. If I can get it open. I literally have no nail. You're not opening, okay. Alright, y'all, now to apply these lashes. Now, some of these lashes don't work with hair glue, so we gonna see if these work. Let that one dry a little bit more.
It appears to be staining, guys. It appears to be staining. See if we can get the other one on there easy. That one's easy and fast. I've never done it on it quick.
These are cute, y'all. These are super, super cute. All right. Now we gotta line the lips. FML, y'all. Powder the heck out of this face.
Bruh.
All right, I'll be back with the outfit reveal. All right, guys, so this is my completed look. My makeup does look exactly like I did last week, 100%. But
Seriously, mommy.
the different style of hair helps. And also that little bit of gold that I put in there makes it kind of pop a little bit more, not to mention the extra in the lashes. Because I just wore regular lashes last time. So yep, that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know how y'all like it, what you think. And until next time, bye. These decorations are bomb. My camera quality is killing it.
Camera is trash.
Whatever. Well, YouTube, I really thought this weekend would suck, considering what I've been through the past couple weeks, but it's been rather amazing. Like, I really needed this little trip to kind of get me out of my funk, and now that it has, I think I will be okay. So we are going to be good. I'm headed back home now. I should be home in about hour 30 minutes. Gotta pick up the menace, and then that is it, you guys. I know I didn't do a lot of vlogging this weekend, but it's basically freaking Vlogmas. Like, I need to be posting Christmas content, so that's kind of where we are with that. But yeah, you guys, that's about it. So if I can show you guys some sights on the way home, I will. If not, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know how you feel. And until next time, bye.